You ready to flow?
Let's go.
Let's do it. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, low lunge, step your left foot back, drop your back knee. Inhale, crescent moon. Exhale, frame your front foot, lift your back knee up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, low lunge, step your right foot back, drop your back knee. Inhale, crescent moon. Exhale, frame your front foot. Lift your back knee, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, mountain pose, root to rise. Exhale, standing at attention, hands to heart center. Inhale, tree pose on the right. Exhale, release. Inhale, tree pose on the left. Exhale, release. Namaste.
Inhale, dance. Left and right. Side and side. So here's the deal. This is just the beginning. Sarah and I, we are going to do a lot together. Namaste. Hi, my name is Felipe.
And I'm Sarah.
Today we are starting our journey through the chakras. I want to ask you something. Do you feel stuck in life? Do you have problems with self-esteem or self-worth? Do you have problems telling people how you feel? You probably say yes to one of these questions. And that's completely fine. That's what makes us human beings. The ability to deal with our problems and succeed. For this, we need tools and we need knowledge. And that's what Sarah and I are going to provide to you in the next episodes. Face these problems with mindfulness, with kindness, and with a beginner's mind will change the game. Close your eyes for a second. Did you close your eyes? I'm watching you.
Imagine that you are a child. And as a child, you have this curiosity, this wonder. When we're growing and becoming adults, we often lose sight of that childlike curiosity and wonder. So when we come to our mats and practice and work with the chakras to bring ourselves back to balance, we can open up ourselves to possibilities and really truly grow. That is what the beginner's mind is all about. So we're going to take you on a journey through the chakras. The word chakra means wheel in Sanskrit. And there are 7 chakras that run from the base of your spine all the way up to the crown of your head. Each chakra corresponds to a different energy center in your body. It also corresponds to different organs, as well as glands, physical parts of your body, as well as emotional and energetic parts of your body. When your chakras are imbalanced, this can show up as physical manifestations such as pain, illness, or disease, or it can show up emotionally, such as a broken heart, or not feeling safe in your body. When we do yoga and we activate different chakras and we are allowed to open them and remove any blockages that might be there, we can then heal pain, we can heal traumas, we can heal our emotional blockages by bringing the mindfulness of yoga and engaging with the chakras. When your chakras are balanced, you can live the life that you finally want to live. You can achieve your dreams and heal your own body.
Affirm that everything is made of energy, has nothing to do with magic. If we look at your hand through the microscope, you're gonna see that what seems to be solid is actually made of pure energy and alive. Sounds, colors, everything has its own vibration. Modern science has proven this recently, but our ancestors, they were able to map the 7 chakras, the correlationship with each color, sound, and body part. Through awareness, you can change your life, you can change the way you see things, you can give and you can love more. I want to ask you one more thing. What is your intention? What do you want to improve in your life? Comment below and let us know.